ability is to use quantum correction, where they exploit several physical qubits, encode a single logical qubit, and apply an error correction protocol that can diagnose and fix errors to protect the logical qubit. But realizing this is still far off for many reasons, not the least of which is the problem of scalability. Quantum circuits. Since the 1990s, before quantum computing became a big thing, when they began, they was interested in whether the team could create and measure quantum superposition states within electronic circuits. At the time, it was not at all obvious if electric circuits as a whole could behave quantum mechanically. To realize a stable qubit in a circuit and create switch on off states in the circuit also needed to be capable of supporting a superposition state. They eventually came up with the idea of using superconducting circuit. The superconducting state is free of all electrical resistance and losses, and so it is streamlined to respond to small quantum mechanical effects. To test this circuit, they used a microscale superconducting island made of aluminum, which was connected to larger superconducting ground electrode via a Josephson junction, a junction separated by a nanometer thick insulating barrier, and they trapped superconducting electron pairs that tunneled across the junction. Because of the smallness of the aluminum island, it could accommodate at most one excess pair due to an effect known as Coulomb blockade between negatively charged pairs. The states of 0 or 1 excess pairs in the island can be used as the state of a qubit. The quantum mechanical tunneling maintains the qubit's coherence and allows them to create a superposition of the states, which is fully controlled with microwave pulses. Hybrid systems. Because of their very delicate nature, quantum computers are unlikely to be in homes in the near future. However, recognizing the huge benefits of research-oriented quantum computers, industrial gains such as Google and IBM, as well as many startup companies and academic institutes around the world, are increasingly investing in research. A commercial quantum computing platform with full error correction is probably still more than a decade away, but state-of-the-art technical developments are already bringing about the possibility of new science and applications. Smaller scale quantum circuits already perform useful tasks in the lab. For example, we use our superconducting quantum circuit platform in combination with other quantum mechanical systems. This hybrid quantum system allows us to measure a single quantum reaction within collective excitations, be it precessions of electron spins in a magnet, crystal lattice vibrations in a substrate, or electromagnetic fields in a circuit with unprecedented sensitivity. These measurements should advance our understanding of quantum physics, and with it quantum computing. Our system is also sensitive enough to measure a single photon at microwave frequencies, whose energy is about 5 orders of magnitude lower than that of a visible light photon, without observing or destroying it. The hope is that this will serve as the building block for quantum networks connecting distant qubit modules, among other things. Thank you.